Good morning, students. Today we will be continuing with English 2. We will be doing chapter number 2, A Smile. Now this is a short poem about smile. Smile मतलब when we give a smile. जब हम किसी के सामने देखते हैं तो हम smile करके उनके सामने देखते हैं, उनसे बात करते हैं. Now a smile is quite a funny thing. It wrinkles up your face. Now smile कैसी thing लगती है poet को? Smile एक funny thing लगती है. मतलब जब आप smile करोगे तो आपके face पे wrinkles मतलब आप जब smile करते हो तो cheeks पे थोड़ी थोड़ी lines आ जाती है lips के पास. That is the wrinkle. And when it is gone, और जब smile चली जाती है आपके face से, you will never find its secret hiding place. तो आपको वो smile कहाँ चली गई? उसकी जो secret hiding place है वो आपको नहीं मिलेगी. But far more wonderful it is. Wonderful मतलब बहुत अच्छी, but बहुत wonderful है. क्या wonderful है? To see what smiles can do. That एक smile क्या क्या कर सकती है? You smile at one, he smiles at you, and so one smile makes two. Smile क्या wonderful चीज कर सकती है? आप किसी के सामने देख के smile करोगे, वो भी आपके सामने देख के smile करेंगे. तो जो एक smile आपने एक smile दी, उसकी two smiles हो गई. एक स्माइल की टू स्माइल्स हो गई. कैसे? एक तो आपने स्माइल किया और आपको देख के जो आपके सामने है उन्होंने भी स्माइल किया. तो वन स्माइल मेक्स टू. नाउ दिस इज अ वेरी शॉर्ट स्वीट पोएम. रीड इट 2 times. Okay, and now let us see the textbook exercise. Okay, let us see the correct answers. What does the poet think a smile is? Poet को क्या लगता है? Smile क्या है? It is a strange thing. It is a nice thing. या it is a funny thing. It is a funny thing. Now, why is smile quite a funny thing? Smile funny thing क्यों है? It makes you happy. या it wrinkles up your face. It wrinkles up your face. Now, which thing does the poet say about a smile that we will never find out? Now, smile के बारे में कौन सी ऐसी चीज है जो poet means जिन्होंने ये poem लिखी है, उन्होंने क्या बोला है कि हमको कभी smile नहीं मिलेगी? To see what a smile can do, to see where a smile goes away, or to the secret hiding place of a smile. The poet says that we will not find the secret hiding place of a smile. Now in this poem there are some opposite words which we have to see. Frown मतलब गुस्सा करना, तो उसका opposite word क्या है? Smile. Then down. What is the opposite of down? Up. Then near. What is the opposite of near? Far. See, in the poem only the words are given. The opposite of frown, smile. Then the opposite of down, up, it is given. Then the opposite of near is far. And then always means हमेशा. उसका opposite क्या होगा? Never means कभी भी नहीं. So we will write over here never. Okay, now see the grammar part. Okay, the sentences. Now this we know that sentence is a group of words that will make complete sense, and a sentence will always begin with the capital letter and end with a full stop. Now what we have to do? We have to make a smiley that are sentences. जो ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स सेंटेंसेस है, उसमें हमको स्माइली बनाना है. Let us see the first one, an ant. No, this is not a sentence. A boy is flying a kite. Yes, this is a sentence. So we will make a smiley. Okay, now students, here I am unable to draw the smiley or insert it. So I am just writing O. Okay, in that you can just draw the eyes and the smile of the smiley. Okay. I have 3. This is not a complete sentence. An ant carry. No, that is also not a complete sentence. Now, I have 3 new pencils. Yes, this is a complete sentence. Okay, now here what we have to do? We have to read the group of words and we have to arrange in the order. So it will make sense. Like, is cooking in the mother kitchen. Now this is, ये group of words तो है, but it is not making sense. We have to arrange it. Mother is cooking in the kitchen. So likewise, see, the sun. So what will be the answer? Rises in the east. Now the teacher. The answer is teaches the students. So here don't match. It will look very untidy. Write the correct option over here. Okay. Then Trisha. Trisha is a good girl. So write over here D. Then Ram. Ram is flying a kite. So write over here F. Then the policeman caught the thief. So write over here A. Then I dash. I love my country. So write over here B. Okay. Now let us see the next question. Statements and questions. Now first let us read the conversation between Sona and Rani. Sona: hello, I am Sona. What is your name? Rani: hello, I am Rani. Sona: how old are you? Rani: I am 7 years old. Now, see, what is a statement? A sentence. It will end. A statement begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. But a question, जो question होगा, it will begin with the capital letter and it will end with a question mark. Now what we have to do? See these 4 sentences. अगर वो statement है तो हमको सिर्फ smiley draw करना है. अगर वो question है तो हमको smiley draw करके question mark लगाना है. Let us see. Where is Mrs. Gupta's house? Now this is a question. So we will put a smiley and a question mark. Then the bird is in its nest. This is a sentence. It is a statement. So we will put a smiley. Then why are you smiling? This is a question. So we will put a smiley and a question mark. Then the cuckoo is singing. So we will put a smiley because this is a statement. It is ending with a full stop. Now let us see. Okay, write 2 words that come to your mind when you read the following words. This is like an activity which you can do for homework. That is, you have to see that dog. तो dog को वो word सुन के आपके mind में क्या words आते हैं? Bark, faithful. वैसे lion, तो lion को सुन के जैसे strong, brave ऐसे words आते हैं. वैसे cat और cup, वो words आपको सोच के क्या words आपके mind में आते हैं? That you have to write by yourself. Then okay, now these are the, you have to see, this is the kind of a story which we will not do right now. This we will learn in English grammar in the later chapters. Okay, We have to write the 4 sentences. This, cancel it out now. अभी हमको ये नहीं करना है. This we will do afterwards. Okay. So students, we have completed the chapter number 2 in English 2, a smile. So see this video properly, read this poem 2 times. Okay, and then we will continue in the next class.